The woman carefully coated a bullet with a special substance, then used a flame torch to heat it to 3,000 degrees. She shot it at a strange scale, and as expected, she failed again. This was her 2,355th experiment. No matter how hard she tried, the bullet couldn't leave any mark on the scale. The biological scales, as hard as titanium alloy, came from an unknown monster that emerged from underground. These monsters possessed incredibly strong defensive abilities. Conventional weapons couldn't cause any harm to them. Within just 1 month, they wiped out 90% of humanity on Earth. However, curiously, these monsters never ventured above 8,000 feet in altitude. It seemed there was some kind of mysterious limit at that height one day. 3 brave individuals crossed the 8,000-foot altitude line, entering the monster's territory in search of useful supplies. Suddenly, Nina noticed the compass in her hand spinning rapidly. Clearly, the monsters were nearby. But on the flatlands, humans couldn't outrun the monster's speed, so they split into 2 groups. Will quickly climbed up to the cable car control panel, while the other 2 tried to block the monster's advance. When the monsters were about to enter shooting range, the terrifying red light suddenly disappeared into the forest. Seeing the monsters charge toward them, Will hurriedly connected the power. Nina was the first to get on the cable car, followed closely by Will. However, Katie was too far away and could only climb up the pole. The 2 of them kept shooting from the cable car, but the bullet impact couldn't stop the monster's progress. Meanwhile, Katie seized the opportunity to jump up. Luckily, Will caught her. The next moment, the monster managed to hook its claws onto the cable, and the cable snapped under the weight, sending the 3 of them plummeting from the sky. However, fortunately, the 8,000-foot altitude line was just within reach.